Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare the way you naked. Now we're backward into many, got you fed. Saying you the one for me, I need to flex it. Started when we were younger. Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out. Guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No, no, no. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know.
Oh my God, where did the time go? I wish that
Happy birthday, Ikea!
Beautiful, beautiful sight right now. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Got the angels saying ooh ah right now, like ooh ah. And this is why we got to touch. Sometimes words are not enough.
I wish you all the best. Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal and I'll do everything para sa'yo. And you're really a blessing and a true God's gift to us ni Papa mo. Happy birthday! I love you!
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know.
Happy birthday, Ikea! Happy birthday, Ate Ikea!
But nothing can compare the way you make it. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know. I just had to let you know. Swear to God.
Dave Malikdem reporting live at Ate Ikea's birthday. Ate Ikea, happy birthday. Thanks for being our mentor and our being nanay.
Happy birthday, Ikea! Love you!
Happy birthday, Dorothy!
I gave you all I have. With you, I made a bet. I know it when you come for bed, like love that lasts. And then you
Happy birthday, Ikea! Happy 18th birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Ikea. God bless always.
Andito lang ako, whatever. And support you yes. Yeah, to build your future and mahal na mahal kita. I love you. That's
you give me better, you give me better. That's all the way. You give me better,
We wish you
A
very
peaceful
and
happy
and
cutie
and
powerful
birthday.
yay
Yay.
And when I hear your voice, it makes me feel so good. My heart's so true, and then we collide. But I just want
Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, Kea kong mahal. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you, Kea.